Endplays and Coups by David Bird and Tim Bourke. Problem 7, the solution is on page 26. Look at the bidding, we see we're in 6 spades, and the opponents have not bid at all. So, opening lead, Queen of Hearts. We need 12 tricks. You can see there we have 11, 6 spades, 2 hearts, ace of clubs, 2 diamonds. So if we were to eliminate the spades, which shouldn't be too hard, and eliminate the hearts, if we could throw in east, which means we can't throw him in with a heart because the heart winner is the jack, which obviously West has based on the lead. And we can throw east in, if we can get him out of hearts, he'll have to lead back a club or a diamond, which is good. And we want to throw him in with the club, so he has to play the king or the queen of clubs, and that promotes our clubs. And if it turns out West has those, well, then our finesse will work, or it will promote our cards, and we'll still have just one loser. So either way, looks like it's going to work. So we're going to take that. We're going to do the trump. Now we notice that West doesn't have any trump, which means East has 4. So East, we're going to run him out of spades. Then maybe he won't have that many of the other suits. Maybe, okay, we're playing hearts. He's out of hearts. So he is out of hearts. He is out of spades. So now we're going to throw him in. Can't really throw him in with a diamond because it still have the club loser. So we need to do the club. Now, it is possible that West had both honors, but that is handled just fine. If he has them and we play our low card here, we'll win the trick and still have just one loser. So, but it turns out that West does have it. So now West is in, and we know West has only diamonds and clubs. So he has to lead one of them. And we can see here, whichever one he leads will be good for us. So he leads the club. And we throw away a diamond, a heart loser. And we have a club that's good, and that promotes our jack. So now we've got a good jack of clubs, 2 good diamonds, and then 2 trump. So we have the rest of the tricks. There's 5 tricks left. We have 5 tricks. So all we have to do is play them. 6 spades made.